Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing a swap that I am doing with Sharon over at Cheap to Chic. I will link her channel down below. I'm sure all of you already know who she is. She's an amazing YouTuber. Hi Sharon. So Sharon and I had been messaging back and forth about swapping some Project Life cards. We decided to swap Project Life cards, and then it just turned into plus supplies from our craft, filling up one of the flat rate bubble mailers from the post office. This used to be $9.65. I believe it's just over $10 now. If you cram enough stuff in here, it's totally worth the $10. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be sending her, and then I am going to attempt to fit it all in this envelope. The first thing that I'm sending is the actual Project Life cards. This was the Maggie Holmes, and I had a really good chunk of leftover cards from the previous swap that I was in. The Bloom edition, I really thought that she would like this collection, so I'm sending her this one. And the Honey collection, because this one's just so sweet. I love this one. I think she will enjoy that one as well. I'm sending her some 6x6 papers. These are a decent quality, and they're just some fun colors that hopefully she will be able to use in some of her crafts. Like all crafters, have to send her a notebook. This one says make it happen. It's just a regular lined notebook. This is the crepe paper title stickers for Pink Plum collection, and I ended up having to cut them down to fit them in the envelope. And then also I had a new sheet from Heidi Swap, and so I folded that one in half, and including these stickers. In this little bag that I'm reusing, this came from Ipsy, but it's this fun orange color, and I did send a lot of Halloween stuff. I am sharing with her just some things from my stash. We have a Christmas stocking die cut, some word ephemera, some crocheted flowers, some silver stars, and then just a couple of different stickers that I thought she could put in her stash. Let me put some of these aside. These are the days of the week. And some bling, and some more bling from the Eyelet Outlet. And in this envelope, I've just put a bunch of these puffy stickers that I hauled a couple weeks back. I know she likes owls, but I hardly had anything left in my collection. But what I did have, I'm sharing with her. There's just some owl tags, an owl card, and another little owl tag in there. So I'm sharing those. I made this pocket just with a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. And inside, I am sharing with her a bunch of packaging. So different types of bags that she can use in future Happy Mail to her swap partners. So a nice collection of those. And then these mini bags. I love receiving packaging in my Happy Mail swaps because then I have extra items to use that are different from my normal stash. I folded the paper around it and then just used some tape to keep it closed, and I just stuck this piece of ephemera on top. I'm also sending her some bling. We have these giant beautiful blue ones, and these blue butterflies, and these little hearts, and these pink pearl ones. And in this baggie, I have this collection of buttons. She uses buttons on so many of her projects. I hope that she will like these ones and be able to use them. Ribbons, the sparkly blue and sparkly black one. This cool pen that I hauled from Hobby Lobby. And these are a bunch of different types of mini file folders. These are great for Happy Mail, for letters, for junk journaling. And there's all different types in here. From my Basil haul, I'm sharing these labels and then these candy canes. And also from my Basil haul, I am sharing her this huge package of the 2x2 chipboard pieces. These are great for twinchies, for starting the background to make it really sturdy. I love mine. I've been using them and they are great. So I'm passing along a package of those. In this little glass bottle, I am sharing a whole variety of my DoubleClickConnect dewdrops. I love how they look in this bottle. The rest is going to be Halloween because it is October. Those are the supplies that I have out right now. And I had lots of supplies that I wanted to share. And so let's get into that. The first thing is I have this super cute bag. And inside I have included large ephemera pieces from, I think these are from K & Company, selection of those. And then also I had some duplicate stickers, and I've just put them all in this clear sleeve, but we have just some puffy ones, and then these ones. And I made this little ribbon selection. I used a pear pin and put some crinkle ribbon on there, and then some of my Halloween ribbon on there, and a little purple tassel. I have this little plastic skeleton man. I'm hoping to be able to fit him in without breaking him. We will see, but I wanted to use it around the packaging, but we'll see if I can make him fit. In this boo bag, I will go through what I'm sending in here. In this one, we have the bones from Michael's. And I'm not sure if she has this stuff in her stash or not. If she does, she can just pass it along. These great size wooden pumpkins. I'm sharing some of these erasers that I was recently gifted from a prize winning. There was like 50 in there, so hopefully she can turn these into some charms. Smaller wooden pumpkins. A baggie of orange, purple, and clear bling. Some of the plastic spiders from Michael's. The spider sequin from Hobby Lobby. Skull buttons. These wooden kitty cats. Acrylic bats from Michael's, wooden hats, Halloween tags, whoops. Spooky cute brads, wooden tombstones, witch hat washi tape, and pumpkin buttons, large skulls. These have some glitter on them. They're wooden. Spooky cute clips. Wooden spiders. These are glittered. Ghosty buttons. Some super cute little monsters. They're fuzzy. And there's a couple different kinds in there. Die cuts. All right, well, that's my swap with Sharon. Sharon, I hope you like all the things that I've sent you, and I hope you don't mind that a majority of it was Halloween. Thank you so much for swapping with me. I hope that we get to do it again. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and start packaging up this package.